Good morning, children. Today we will have to solve our exercise 10.3. But first of all, we have to know about some types of triangles. Okay? So first of all, you have to know about triangles and their classification. As in your book given that triangles are of 6 types, 3 types on the basis of sides and 3 types on the basis of angles. So first one given that equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? A triangle having all the same sides known as equilateral triangle. Okay? As if you have any triangle as given that this type of triangle in which this A, B and C. Okay? The 3 sides of the triangles are same, then this type of triangle is said to be equilateral triangle. Okay? So you have to also write the definition of equilateral triangles. What is equilateral triangles? What is equilateral triangle? So first of all, you have to know about the definition of equilateral triangle. The triangle having all the three sides of the triangle are same is said to be equilateral triangle. Is said to be or is known to be or as is called, as you wish you write there. Okay, as you want. So is said to be or called is called equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle. So this is the definition of the equilateral triangle. This is the first type of triangle. Now again you have to know about isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. These triangle on the basis of the sides. These are the classification on the basis of the sides. Okay. So what is isosceles triangles? A triangle having 2 sides equal is said or is called an isosceles triangle. Okay, so you have to also as this type of triangle in which 2 sides AB and AC and AC are same. Okay, so this type of triangle is said to be isosceles triangle because in isosceles triangle having 2 sides are same. Okay, so this type of triangle is known or is said to be isosceles triangle. Okay, you have to also write the definition and you have to learn this. Again, scalene triangle. What is scalene triangle? In scalene triangle, none of the sides are same. That means all the sides are different measure. That is said to be scalene triangle. Okay. Again, classification on the basis of angles. Okay. So first of all, you have to know about acute triangles. What? Acute triangles. Okay. What is acute triangles? A triangle each of whose angles measures less than 90 degree is called an acute triangle or acute angle triangle. Okay. Or you also define as such a triangle angles of the triangle are acute angle is known as acute angle triangle. Okay, so this is the definition of acute angle triangle. As you have given that a triangle in which all the sides are 60 degree, that is known as APC, that is known as acute angle triangle. Okay, again you have to know about obtuse angle triangle. Okay, this is clear. Now again, what is obtuse angle triangle? Second definition, obtuse angle triangle. What is obtuse angle triangle? In obtuse angle triangle, one of the angle of the triangle is more than 90 degree, then this type of triangle is known as is said to be obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so you have to also define this triangle as okay. So this is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, this is obtuse angle triangle as such 90 degree greater than angle, and this angle 90 degree less than, and this is very less angle. Okay, so this type of triangle is known as obtuse angle triangle. Again, next, given that right angle triangle in which one angle of the triangle is right angle, that is right angle triangle. Okay, now in exercise 10.3, problem number first, given that classify the following triangles according to their sides. So see in your book, first 2 cm, 3.5 cm and 3 cm. We have to classify these triangles on the basis of sides. So in first, this is scalene triangles because none of the sides in this triangle is same. Okay, in part B given that all the sides are same 3 cm, so this type of triangle is said to be equilateral triangle. Again in part C given that 2.5 cm, 4 cm and 4 cm. So in this triangle two sides are same, so this triangle is said to be isosceles triangle. Okay, again in problem number second, classify the following triangles according to their angles. So in first triangle you can see that one of the angle of the triangle is more than 90 degree, so this type of triangle is said to be obtuse angle triangle. Okay, in part B given that none of the angle is greater than 90 degree, all the angles are is less than 90 degree, so this type of triangle is known as acute angle triangle. And in C you can see that one of the angle is 90 degree in this triangle, so in part C you can say that this type of triangle is said to be right angle triangle. Okay, again in problem number 3, draw the following two different acute triangles. You have to draw this because you know already the definition and you know all the facts about the acute angle triangles, so you have to draw acute angle triangles. Okay children, this is clear. Again in part B, two different scalene triangles. In two different scalene triangles, You know about scalene triangles that none of the side of the triangle is same or same. Okay, so you have to draw two different scalene triangles. Again, in problem number 4, given that a figure, in problem number 4, you have to give given as this type of figure, equilateral triangle. In this you have to also identify equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. So equilateral triangle here ABC, whole the triangle is known as equilateral triangle because you have to given that this type of figure. Okay, this type of figure you have given that as given that and also given that as. Okay, so this type of figure you have given that. Okay, this type of figure. So in this figure you can see that 4 4 and also 1 1 1 1. That means to also this is 4 centimeter. Okay, so all the sides are same in this triangle. So this triangle is said to be ABC equilateral triangle. Okay, again given that isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, this given that 3.2 and also this is given at 3.2 and this point became D, this point became E. Okay, so ADE is said to be isosceles triangle. Okay, again given that scalene triangle, in this figure scalene triangle is here none of the side are equal. So scalene triangle AFB. Okay, here given that F. So AF and B is scalene triangle. Okay, again given that acute angle triangle. So you have to also measure the angles and then you have to classify acute angle triangles, obtuse angle triangles and right angle triangles. Okay, you can say that right angle triangles AFB or AFC. AFB or AFC. These two triangles are right angle triangles. Right angle triangles. Okay. Again, problem number 5, 6, 7 and 8. You have to also answer and the remaining problem BC next day because time is over. We stop our writing. Thank you children. Thank you.